indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, leather seats, steering wheel controls, MP3. We are pleased to show you the 2011 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, power brakes, FWD, headlights auto off, backup camera, steering wheel controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.